Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we will show you how you can run Android games on PC with Google's official Android emulator. So how to do this, let's get started. First go over to your Google Chrome and then search for Google Play Games Download PC. Once you do this, click on the first link from Google Play and then you'll be brought to this website. Just click on download on PC and you'll notice it will start downloading a setup file. After this, run the setup file and it will look like this. Just click on install, and once it completes the installation, it will ask you to sign into your account. Just sign in your account and then it will open like this. Just search for any game you want to download, and then for now just click on the game and then click on install button and it will completely install on your PC. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy. Whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.